Alright, so this is my submission for bush class shavings. I'm going to fill up this hat. I've got here what seems to be oak. I'll pause this and come back when it's full. Alright, this is Kentucky Red submission for shavings for Bush Class USA, Bushcraft USA, Bush Classes. These are the pieces I used. They were all about that big when I started. Got them down, got a hat full of shavings. Here in a little bit I'll light it up. So here's my submission for Bushcraft USA Bush Class pot hanger. And then opposite side on the bottom. She's hanging. Now, test of tests. Will the pot hang? We'll find out. I gotta get this fire started. It's 3:30. I gotta build up some coals. Okay. This is gonna be my submission for Bushcraft USA's Twig Fire Challenge. As you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3 pencil lead piles, all good size handful. I've got a mound of pencil size and a big old mound of thumb size. And I've processed all that wood. There are my shavings. Let's see if I can get it done. Okay, so I got my shavings. I'm going to start with a small mound right in the center. And be the first time I've ever struck a fire with a fire steel correctly. So, let's see if I can get it done. This is hitting my hand. Oh man, maybe this fire steel is not that good. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. What's really hampering me is that I couldn't get a good edge on the spine of this knife. I could only get it on the side I'd use my left hand on. And while I'm left-handed, I would feel so much more comfortable striking this fire using my right hand. Oh. Had one. You know what? I'm too hungry and tired to screw around anymore. So, man-made tinder number 1. Dryer lint. my brace up there. Yes, sir. She ain't going out. So it's time to set up my ridge line. I'm going to try the Canadian jam knot, or the jam knot, however you want to call it. So, do an overhand. And then you do another overhand underneath it. Yeah. Pretty good. Alright. So my next simple knot is just going to be a slip knot. Slip knot there, and then I do another one. I just put it through an overhand knot underneath it to secure it. Alright, let's get the tarp shelter set up. Last simple knot. Prussiks with toggles. And my simple tarp shelter. I do have Reflectix sleeping pad and a 20-degree sleeping bag. It's supposed to get down to 35 early in the morning. Alright, let's get the bedding in there. Yeah, I'm all set up under here. Starting to lose the light a little bit. About another, I guess, an hour. It'll be gone. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock now, so an hour it'll be dark. I may try and go out and find another log. I have to wait. I'm trying this bannock here. Never done it before. Got my potato in there. Get some nice coals. Get that steak on in a little bit. So the bannock didn't turn out quite like I expected. I think I flipped it too early. It broke apart. I got it back on some more heat over there. We'll see. But it tastes good. Later. This is why I need practice, excuse me, with an axe. You can't really see it very well. Got a little blister. Oh, there she is. This side over here on the right, some flame caught up there that I didn't see while I was showing you my blister, and well, that got a little burned. That right there is a piece that got flipped early and then didn't get flipped back around. It's a little mushed up, messy, but some pieces held together. It's a lot golden brown. Next time I'll get a better lay on the coals and just use coals instead of trying to move it around the fire. Alright, let's have my hors d'oeuvres because we got some good fire, got some good coals in there. I'm going to rake them over here in about 10 minutes and start my steak. Later. Strip steak. She's on, boys and girls. That fire's hot too. Those coals are killing. It shouldn't take too long. Potatoes done. Alright. Let's check it out later. Okay, the light's gone. But I tell you what, that's a bushcraft dinner right there. Got the butter melting in the potato. Steak is resting. Got another minute. I'll be able to eat. Oh, I almost forgot. So, with the obligatory steak comes the obligatory beer. So I went with Sam Adams. I wanted more than one beer, but I didn't want two. And our local breweries don't sell these size beers yet. So we'll go with the Rebel IPA. Yeah, like I said, I've been wanting to get out here and try my hand at this bushcraft thing. Make a video. I like it. I mean, like I said, I've been doing this kind of stuff since I was probably 8 years old. You know, maybe not making benches or sleeping under tarp shelters. Mostly I sleep in a tent or in a shelter on trails. But getting out off the beaten path into the woods and making yourself comfortable. That's what bushcraft to me is about. So I got plenty of wood left for the night. Once it's gone, I'll probably turn in. I worked late last night till about 1 o'clock. Got up around 6, maybe 7, and then drove an hour and a half, 2 hours out here. But point being is tomorrow morning I'll probably just pack up and go. Of course, I'll give you the obligatory good morning. Hey, good morning, guys. It's about 5:45. Moon is still up over there. I normally get up at 4:45 every morning, so why should Sunday be any different, right? Didn't get too cold last night. I think the thermometer on the pack says 40 is as low as it got. I think it's like 42 right now. Excuse me. I'm all packed up, and I'm just ooh, look, the moon. Cool. Yep, it's about down. But anyway, I'm all packed up. I'm using a little bit of the firewood. Had a little fire this morning. Still had a good bit of coals left last night. Always the first night in the woods is your hardest night sleeping. I don't know why. So I went to bed around 8:30 or 9. Got to sleep around 10. Woke up about 2:15, 2:30. You know, the old man thing. And then slept again until 5. Got up and packed up. Just waiting until it gets a little bit more light. I can get out of here with my headlamp, but I'm gonna enjoy the fire here this morning. Gotta go back and put up the Christmas lights. Fun. That's actually my favorite thing about the holidays, putting up the Christmas lights. But anyway, gonna have a little breakfast, a little bar here, and scoot on out. Thanks for coming along. I may do a recap of things I learned, things like that. I'm unsure. But as you saw, the whole fire steel thing wasn't very good. I don't know if it was the edge on the blade, or if it's the fire steel itself, or it's just the operator. Odds are it's on operator error and the edge of the blade, the spine. But practice. Alright, y'all have a good Sunday, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I do have some other videos up there if you'd like to check me out on YouTube or Instagram at Kentucky Red. Talk to you later. Bye.